Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to run as an administrator on the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open your PC. And of course, if you have a Windows 11 already, this will be great. But if you don't, you'll normally have Windows 10. So of course, if you have that, make sure to just go and download the Windows 11 through your settings. Of course, you must have been already been annoyed by download Windows 11 for free, and I suggest you actually to do that. It's pretty cool and decent to use. So you can actually start the download now, and it can actually start the download on the background. So you can actually start keep using your PC while it downloading. And once it downloaded, it will actually ask you to restart your PC so you can actually have your Windows 11 done and ready to use. And as we said, we would like to run something as administrator. Of course, it could be an app, it could be, I don't know. Or as administrator, we would like to run it. So how can we do that on the Windows 11? So simply, we can find, first of all, we can find our icons. If we go here to view and show desktop icons, if you have them disappeared here. And for me, I'm just going to click at the Windows key on my keyboard, and that should open this for me. And now I would like to open something as administrator. So let's say as an example, it's going to be this, the Word. So simply right click on it, and as you can see, we'll have this run as administrator. If we click on it, we would like to give it the administrator options, and as you can see, it's already opened as administrator. Of course, that will work with any other items or any other application. As you can see, I'll have this run as administrator, and as you can see, it will work with anything else. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.